If you're a software engineer in corporate tech today, I'm sure you're being told to start using AI as soon as possible. And I'm here to tell you it's not a bad thing. I know it's scary to change the way you have been working for years, but here are two reasons why you want to spend time and invest in trying to figure out your agentic AI setup for writing code. Number one is an obvious reason. If you figure out a way to organize your agentic setup locally, such that you don't treat code as precious anymore, you definitely don't review each change. You might just review changes at the very end, or in fact, you could even hand off the QA and testing to a secondary agent. You inevitably are going to start producing features a lot faster. And in the market where we see thousands of people being laid off, all of us that stay behind definitely are expected to produce at 2x, 3x, or even 5x productivity comparing back to 2024. Now, the second reason might not be as obvious. If you indeed spend time in trying to figure out a multi-agent setup where you have an agent that writes a feature, another one that does QA, a third agent that writes tests, a fourth agent that does code review, have them actively communicate with each other and require minimum engagement from you, you probably invested into learning how to use Claude Code or Claude channels. You're probably controlling agents' operations from your phone, from Slack, or any other messenger. You probably have figured out how to install OpenClaw and how to have it set up, or a similar solution that does multi-agent orchestration on your machine or on a cloud desktop. That will likely make you one of the most progressive software engineers on your team or even in your organization. And having that expertise actually puts you in a very favorable position. So in my mind, doubling down in agentic setup for software engineering actually can give you job security. Do you agree? Please let me know in the comments.